Hi, let's just do this question within 2 minutes. It is given to us this is our recursive rule. We have our T5, we have our T6. The first question asks us to find D and constant C. The way the recursive rule is given, it's arithmetic in nature. So let's just get started. So when n is equal to 5, what do you have? Your T6 is equal to T5 plus D. So this gives us T38 is equal to T33 plus D. So your D turns out to be 5. If your D is 5, and we know the recursive rule in arithmetic case, it's Tn is equal to Tn minus 1D, right? Now let's just take n as 5. So this gives T5 is equal to T1 plus 4D. Our T5 is 33. 33 T1. Your D is 5, so 4 times 5 is 20. So this gives me T1 as 13. If your T1 is 13, it means your C is 13, right? So we have got out the value of D and C. Now let's do B. By the recursive rule, Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1D. So what is our T1? It's 13. Our D is 5, so n minus 1, 5. So this gives us 13 plus 5n minus 5. So that's 8 plus 5n is equal to Tn. On comparison with this, you get, let's just write it. So we get our P is equal to 8. So P is sorted. Now if P is known, what does C part says? The Tn is 193. So we know that Tn, it's 5n plus 8. So 193 gonna be 5n plus 8. That's 185 is equal to 5n. So your 37 gonna be equal to n. So we have our answer. I hope you find it useful.